Hi, welcome back to Cotton Creations. So today I am bringing you a product review video. A company sent me their sea moss gel and I'm going to try it out for you guys and of course give you the reel on what it is. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. But before we hop into the video, you already know, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on all my amazing videos. Let's jump into it. All right, so the company that sent me their sea moss gel is called Herbal Vineyards, and this is one of them, okay? They also sent me this one. So I'm gonna try both of them out. The first thing I like to do is just try them straight out the jar, not mixing them with anything. And then I'm gonna give you like a little recipe that you can do as well. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Let me give you some of the benefits of sea moss. You probably heard of some of the benefits already, that it has 92 of the minerals that our bodies need. Like, that's amazing. And 92 of the minerals that our body needs is found in sea moss. You don't have to take like a ton of other vitamins and different things to get everything you need. You can just take the one sea moss. So sea moss is an algae. It's found in the ocean. There's different types of sea moss, but it's highly beneficial for you. So this company says that they have no preservatives, no fillers, no binders. And you guys may be wondering, like, how many minerals do our bodies need in total? And it needs 102. So 92 out of 102. Come on now, you do the math. All right. And for those that don't know, when you have the gel, because it comes in different forms. For a while I was taking the sea moss capsules, but there's also the gel. So anywho, with the gel, with this brand, you just need to mix like 1 to 2 tablespoons of it in your favorite drink. Or if you have anything else that you like to mix it in. Now, one thing that I want to make sure you guys are aware of is that if you put this in anything hot, like if you cook it, if you put it in like hot tea, you are losing all the minerals, okay? Because heat takes nutrients out of things. Even when we cook vegetables, that's why, you know, a lot of times people tell you, like, don't overcook it or don't cook it for extremely long, because the longer you cook it and the longer it's on the heat, you're losing the nutrients. And the same thing applies for sea moss. So I wouldn't suggest putting in anything hot, okay? But yeah, so you don't need much, and theirs lasts for 3 to 4 weeks as long as you refrigerate it. So that's amazing. So let's go ahead and try it. So here's what it looks like right in the jar. Okay, so which one should we try first? The purple one or just the regular one? Let's go for purple. Okay, purple it is. Okay, see that? Don't eat that straight up. Let's just skip to mixing it. This is clearly not the flavored sea moss gels that I've had in the past. So this one, I would only recommend you mix it. Just mix it with a drink or a smoothie or something like that. So let's get into that part of the video, sorry. So here's what you'll need for your smoothie is, of course, the sea moss gel, some plant-based milk. I am using some frozen mangoes. You can pick whatever frozen fruits that you want. And then I'm also gonna add in some plant-based yogurt. Of course, it all goes in a blender. right, y'all, we got our smoothie. It's pretty thick, like I like. That's good. That's real good, y'all. That's real good, y'all. You can't even taste the sea moss in it. Okay. So yeah, I'm about to go enjoy this smoothie. Y'all have an amazing day. And let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. If you like this video, you already know, give your girl a thumbs up. And be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching.